day to everyone. So I'm here to bring you all about campaign awareness where anti-bullying is the topic. So anti-bullying. Bullying is very common in our lives, in our house, our peers, even co-workers, and especially in our school. This can cause depression, anxiety, and stress. There are many types of bullying like physical, hitting or pushing, verbal, insult or threats, and cyberbullying, online harassment. In my experience of this bullying is verbal and physical that leads me to bruising. They will call me pig because I'm fat. That caused me on my breakdown era. I could not barely sleep. I will not eat and staying silent to avoid the bully's attention. But then they will still bully me. To stop bullying, we need to work together. We need to be aware of what we're doing. Schools should make rules and punishment about bullying so that the kids will be afraid and keep others safe. They can focus on their studies and make new friends. If you see bullying, don't join them. Say stop in a loud and clear voice, or you can call help in your higher age. For the parents who are responsible of what your child doing, you should teach your kids to be kind and respectful to others. Being kind is free and we can make their day even brighter. We can all make difference by being kind and standing up for what is right. We can create a world where everyone feels safe, happy, and respected. We should always try to put ourselves in other people's shoes and think about how they might feel. Everyone deserves to be treated with respect and kindness. Let's work together to stop bullying.
Nawa na po liyan.
Let's be all friends and support each other together. We can make a big difference and create each other's future. Bullying is everywhere, and it can harm people emotionally and physically. We should make campaign awareness to help and protect others. Bullying is never the victim's fault. No one asked for it. It is a choice, not a mistake. For bullies, stop bullying others. Give them freedom and spread kindness. Together we will rise. Together we will grow. If we have respect, empathy, and kind to others, be good and be happy.
Saan pag-stop?